supply bag, light blue construction paper. We need a pencil. You need a black Sharpie.
Pencil or Sharpie? Why don't you make it pencil?
Oh, you're gonna film it for the video? Good. And we're gonna start with that. Very good. Okay. So we have that light blue piece of construction paper. We have a pencil. We have a black Sharpie marker. Awesome. And I bet you're like, what are we making? We are going to be making, because now's the time of year where we see lots of these, we're going to be making a dandelion. And on mine I wrote, make a wish. If you want on yours at the end, you can write make a wish. You don't have to. Maybe at the bottom of yours you want to write nothing. Maybe at the bottom of yours you want to write something else.
Ask it, her one's ready.
Now, on my sample, you'll see I used white, but I decided to switch it to blue for a sky color. Okay. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start with our blue background and we need a pencil. If you notice, the stem of your dandelion is a diagonal line. So we're gonna have our paper going vertically. Okay, so your paper goes vertical, your paper goes up and down. So you're going to make a diagonal line. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Someone just came in. If you just came in, good morning. From your supply bag, we grabbed a blue piece of construction paper. And let's grab a pencil. Good morning. We're gonna grab a blue piece of construction paper, the light blue, and a pencil. And we're starting with our dandelion this morning.
Can I tip you up here? Here, hold on to it for a second.
Okay, so we have our diagonal line for our stem.
You have the camera reversed.
Okay, hold on. We're getting our camera ready here. Then we're going to make more diagonal lines coming off of the stem.
They don't even know what to make more diagonal.
Okay, I'm adding more diagonal lines.
Hold it 1 second for me.
So I have a big diagonal for the stem. Hold on, everybody. We are taping the phone to the document camera. There we go. Shoot, it got off me.
Is it on me now?
Shoot. I need it back on me. Okay, then after that, so you can see this better, I'm going to trace in Sharpie. So let's get out our Sharpie. It is, I just can't see the...
I already did that. Yeah. I know, I'm just waiting.
And then I'm going to trace my diagonal lines in Sharpie. Can everyone still see?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Nobody can hear you.
I can see. Ask me if they can see.
Can everyone see me?
But we are new. What do you think yours? Or they're just not paying attention. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, so we're outlining our lines.
But everybody else thinks. Come on with my art class. That's tiny. And they're actually there.
And then we're getting ready to add more lines.
Right there. Hold on, it's more time.
Okay, so then we can add more diagonal lines in your dandelion.
Okay, last chance for gymnastics. You don't want to do it, right?
Or you can have less lines. You can add as many lines as you want. That's the great thing about being an artist. You get to decide how many lines you want. Do you want a lot of lines? Do you want not a lot of lines? We're still working on taping this phone up here. There we go.
All right.
Okay, that should be good. Okay, now coming off of the ends of your lines, let's add some circles. Can we see those circles?
No.
Can everyone see those circles?
I can.
You can? Oh, good.
They don't know the blacks.
Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, but we can't.
Can everyone see me and hear me?
Yes.
Can everyone see the paper and hear me?
Yes.
Very good. So coming off of our diagonal lines, we're going to add circles. We're going to fill in the circles.
You're already done with that stuff.
Thanks,
Like the dandelions so far. There's There's pretty.
Ask them to show you theirs.
Okay, can I see yours? Does anyone want to show me theirs?
No, because we can't show you.
Oh, wow, awesome.
Wait.
Oh, these look great so far. Wow, really nice. If you want, you can make your stem thicker. Boys and girls, do you see how I'm making my stem thicker? If you want, you can leave the stem thin, or you can make your stem nice and thick. It's up to you. You might want your dandelion stem nice and thick. You decide. Okay, so next, we need your watercolor paints. In your bag, you have some oval-shaped watercolors. They look like this. And you get to pick the colors. So pick what kind of colors you use. I think I'm going to pick I think red, yellow. You know what? I think I'm just going to use red and yellow. And maybe when they mix, they'll make orange. You also need some kind of water cup. If mom or dad is home, or an older brother or sister or a babysitter, ask them if they have something you can use that's old for a water cup or a water bowl. Ask mom, dad, older brother, sister, babysitter, grandma, grandpa for a small water cup or water bowl. And the last thing you need to dry your brush is a paper towel or an old rag or cloth. A paper towel or an old cloth or rag.
We need a paper towel, cloth, or rag to dry our brush.
Okay, so we have a water cup, our watercolors, whatever colors you want for your watercolors, and a paper towel or an old cloth or rag. And then, guess what we need? Our thumbprint or our fingerprint. Because guess what? That's how we're going to paint. No brushes. We're going to wet our finger or our thumb. And then we're going to dip it in the paint. And then stamp it on your paper. Oh my goodness. So I wet my thumb in the bowl, rub it around in the paint, and stamp. Very good. There's still water in here, so I don't have to reload water. Stamp. Stamp. Decide where you want the colors.
Like when you stamp them.
I can't wait to see what colors you pick. And I'm going to make the colors go out, go off of the page. Oh, these are looking great.
I'm gonna stain my finger.
I'm gonna put some baby wipes here in case you guys need these. Okay.
I'm almost done with red, and then I'm going to switch to my next color, yellow.
You get all the same colors.
Pretty.
Mommy, come look.
Wow, it's starting to look like a dandelion. Oh, I think I'm going to switch to yellow. When you're ready, wash your finger in the bowl. I'm going to wash my finger in the bowl and dry it off on the paper towel. Get all that red paint off. And then I'm ready for my next color. My next color is yellow, but I can't wait to see what your next color is. So I need to wet my finger again, or wet my thumb. Rub it around the yellow. Oh my goodness. That feels so weird. And stamp. Get more water on my thumb. Oh, it sounds like we're having fun over there. Doesn't the paint feel weird on your fingers? Oh, where else do I need yellow? What colors are you using? I see blue.
We didn't tell us we were making.
Yes, you did. That we're talking about it.
Who knew we'd be finger painting today?
Not me.
Right? This is bananas. Oh, maybe there's one way down here that fell.
These I don't know.
Oh, I think mine's done. Oh, maybe one more.
I got it.
I think mine's done. I'm going to hold mine up. Okay, very good.
Light green. Yeah.